Let's begin with an introduction to the Putrajaya Wetlands, a landmark in Malaysia's environmental engineering journey. This is Malaysia's first man-made freshwater wetland, and impressively, it is also the largest constructed tropical wetland in the world, spanning approximately 197 hectares, developed between 1997 and 1998 on former oil palm land. This project reflects a strategic shift toward ecological restoration and sustainable urban planning. Today, the wetlands serve multiple roles: conservation, recreation, and education, making it not just a functional landscape but a living classroom and a biodiversity haven. So, why are wetlands so important? This slide highlights 4 core functions of the Putrajaya wetlands. First, water purification. The wetland acts as a natural filter, removing pollutants and improving water quality before it enters Putrajaya Lake. Second, habitat creation. It supports diverse flora and fauna, including migratory birds, aquatic life, and native vegetation. Third, flood control. By absorbing and slowing runoff, wetlands reduce flood risk and enhance urban resilience. And finally, recreation and education. The site offers trails, observation towers, and learning spaces that connect people with nature. Now, let's look at the hydrology behind Putrajaya Lake. The lake itself covers 400 hectares and was formed by inundating the valleys of Sungai Chuau and Sungai Bisa. Along with smaller tributaries, Sungai Chuau is particularly vital. Its sandy and gravelly alluvium deposits help maintain a steady base flow even during dry spells. Sungai Bisa complements this by contributing to the lake's hydrological balance. Together, these rivers feed into the wetland system, ensuring a continuous and sustainable water supply. Finally, we turn to the importance of maintaining water quality in Putrajaya Lake. As the centerpiece of the city, the lake is designed not just for aesthetics, but also for recreation and tourism. High water quality is essential for several reasons. It protects public health and safety, supports ecosystem sustainability, enhances and ensures long-term resilience against climate and pollution pressures. This underscores the need for integrated water management and ongoing monitoring to preserve the lake's ecological and social value.
My name is NURAINI SYAHIRAH binti AZLAN. My student ID 2022961767. Water quality issue in the wetland. First, high turbidity. Turbidity increase when soil, clay, and fine particles enter the water. Reduce sunlight penetration affect photosynthesis of aquatic plant. Cause a stress to a fish and decrease visual feeding ability. Number 2, high sediment load. Sediment come from the erosion, stormwater runoff, and construction activities. Settle at the bottom, making the lake shallow, smooth aquatic habitat, and disturb fish spawning area. Number 3, nutrient pollution. Excess nutrient from fertilizer, sewage, and urban runoff cause eutrophications, leading to the rapid algae growth. Algae bloom reduce oxygen level and may produce toxic harmful to the fish. Number 4, pathogen, which is E. coli, come from the sewage leak, animal waste, and polluted runoff. Adequate contamination from fecal source can make the water unsafe for recreational and harmful to aquatic life. Number 5, organic matter and low dissolved oxygen. Organic waste from leaf, sewage, and decayed material increase the biological oxygen demand, BOD. Bacteria consume oxygen during decomposition. Low DO cause fish kill and reduce biodiversity. Impact on the lake ecosystem. Disturb food chain, less light and oxygen reduce plant growth, which affect animal and fish that depend on them. Loss of biodiversity. Sensitive species die first while only strong species can survive. Habitat degradations, sediment cover aquatic plant and damage fish breeding area. Algae bloom, cause of fish die, bad smell, and cloudy water. Health risk, E. coli contamination make the water unsafe for people and wildlife. Lower water quality, disturb the natural balance, and reduce the lake recreational value.
Water quality control is important because the urban runoff and also wastewater often carry sediments, nutrients, heavy metals, and also harmful pathogens. If these pollutants are not properly treated, they can cause river pollutants, eutrophications, and also damage the aquatic ecosystem. Constructed wetland provides a natural, low-cost and sustainable treatment system that helps improve water quality while protecting the environment. For sedimentation, the water velocity decreases as it enters the wetland. This allows heavy particles to settle at the bottom, which reduces turbidity and sediments load in water. Filtration by wetland plants. The roots and gravel act as the natural filters that trap fine particles and floating debris, improving water clarity. Lastly, nutrient uptake by vegetation occurs when plants absorb nitrogen and phosphorus from the water. The process prevents eutrophication and stores nutrients in plant biomass, supporting healthier aquatic ecosystem. Microbial breakdown occurs around the plant roots where microorganisms decompose organic pollutants such as BOD and COD. These microorganisms also convert ammonia into nitrate through nitrification, further improving water quality. For natural disinfection, sunlight provides UV radiation that helps kill pathogens. In addition, microorganisms prey on harmful bacteria and natural die-off further reduces disease-causing organisms. This process significantly lowers health risks in the treated water. All of the measures help maintain consistent pollutant removal and system efficiency, ensuring stable treatment performance. They also prevent clogging, odor formation, and premature system failure, which commonly occur in poorly maintained wetlands. Furthermore, improvements extend the wetland lifespan through better maintenance and pre-treatment that reduces the long-term cost. Finally, real-time monitoring sensors enable early detection of performance decline, allowing corrective actions to be taken promptly. These are the system enhancement measures proposed to improve wetland performance. First, increasing vegetation density provides more roots to filter pollutants and also absorbs nutrients. Second, adding aeration zones increase oxygen levels, which helps microorganisms break down pollutants more efficiently. Real-time monitoring sensors are installed to track water quality conditions and detect problems early. An improved sediment removal schedule prevents clogging and maintains smooth water flow. Finally, biofilter placed before wetland cells remove high pollutant loads early and protect the wetland system.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is NATRAH binti Muhammad QAYYUM JEPRI and my student ID is 2022-917-619. Now, I will present the advantage of Putrajaya constructed wetland. The first major advantage is water quality improvement. The wetland acts as a natural filtration system. When stormwater enter the wetland, the plant, soil and microorganisms help remove sediment, nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus and other pollutants. This makes the water much cleaner before its flow into the Putrajaya lake. Second, the wetland provides flood control. During heavy rainfall, the wetlands slow down the movement of water and temporarily store part of the runoff. This reduces peak flow and helps prevent flooding in downstream area. Third, the wetland is important for biodiversity enhancement. It creates a safe and stable habitat for many species including wetland plants, fish, insects, reptiles and birds. This increases ecological richness in the Putrajaya areas. Next, the system is cost-effective and low maintenance. Unlike mechanical treatment plants or high-energy pumping system, a constructed wetland mostly relies on natural process. This saves operational costs in the long run. Another advantage is the recreational and educational value. The Putrajaya wetland has taking path, view area, and interpretation board for visitors, schools, and researchers. This helps the public understand the importance of the wetlands. Lastly, the wetlands support sustainable urban development. It shows how a city can combine engineering, landscape design, and environmental protection, helping Putrajaya achieve its goals as an eco-friendly administrative capital. For long-term improvement of the Putrajaya constructed wetland, several recommendations can be suggested. Firstly, regular water quality monitoring should be carried out. Continuous testing for nutrients, pH, suspended solid, and pollutant will help ensure the wetland is functioning effective and allow early detection of any problem. Secondly, proper vegetation management is important. Dead plants should be replaced quickly and invasive species should be controlled. Using native wetland species will improve filtration efficiency and support local biodiversity. In addition, authorities can adopt smart monitoring technology tools such as water level sensor, water quality probes or drone can provide real data times on rainfall impact, water depth and pollution load. This helps in faster and smarter decision making. Lastly, expanding the green buffer zone around the wetland will help reduce direct pollution from urban activity such as road runoff or nearby development. More green area will also enhance the natural filtration process. Based on our case study, we can conclude that the Putrajaya constructed wetland play a very important role in protecting the environmental quality of Putrajaya Lake. The wetland functions as a natural water treatment system where processes such as sedimentation, filtration by plants, nutrient uptake, and microbial activity help remove pollutants from incoming river water. These mechanisms successfully reduce issues such as turbidity, excessive sediment, nitrogen and phosphorus pollution, organic matter, and harmful pathogen. As a result, the wetland not only improve water quality but also help maintain ecological balance and support a variety of plant and animal species. Overall, Putrajaya Wetland is a proven example of how engineered natural system can enhance water management in urban area. With continuous monitoring, proper maintenance, and additional improvement in the future, these wetlands will remain effective and continue to benefit the environment and community in long term.